If your credit score is around 700, banks are ready to give you rewards. But most people at this level choose the wrong credit card and lose hundreds of dollars every year without realizing it.
Because at 700, you're stuck in the middle. You're too good for beginner cards, but not quite premium enough for elite cards. So the trick isn't applying for more cards, it's applying for the right tier of cards. Today, I'll show you exactly which credit cards make the most sense in 2026 for a 700 credit score, and which ones you should avoid applying for right now.
First, understand what 700 actually means. In the U.S., 700 is considered good credit. Banks see you as reliable, but still new enough that approval depends heavily on your recent activity.
So your goal is not maximum rewards yet. Your goal is maximum approval plus strong rewards. Let's start with the smartest first card. These are flat cashback cards. They give you rewards on every purchase no matter what you buy. No annual fee. High approval odds. No tracking categories. For most people at 700, this is the safest way to start earning money back immediately while building history toward premium cards. Now the second type, category reward cards.
This is where you earn higher cash back on groceries, gas, and online spending. For Americans, these everyday expenses are huge, meaning these cards often outperform everything else in real life. But approval is slightly stricter.
If you recently opened many accounts, this is where people start getting denied. Finally, travel reward cards. Yes, at 700, you can qualify for travel points and welcome bonuses, but only entry-level travel cards, not luxury ones yet. Applying too high too early is the biggest reason people drop their score and lose approval chances for months. And that leads to the biggest mistake. People apply for 3 or 4 cards at once, hoping one sticks. Every application creates a hard inquiry, and suddenly your 700 becomes 680. Now even good cards reject you. Instead, match the card to your lifestyle. Spend everywhere? Flat cash back. Spend on food and gas? Category rewards. Travel sometimes? Entry travel card.
I've placed recommended options in the description so you can compare before applying. And next, you should watch my approval strategy video. It dramatically increases your chances before you submit any application.